understand that. Okay, first I make this uh, oval. This is like an oval. Okay, make a oval like a oval. Okay, it's not much tough. Make a oval. Must oval should be look oval. Okay, you can erasing, and then make the oval. Oval drawing is easy or tough? So make
Sir,
it
it's very simple.
very simple.
Finding Dory.
Yes, you can make some binding dory. We are making something very simple. Okay, not touch. Here making this one, two, one, two. We are coloring, so we are not making lots. This is the original dory in the uh, in the Doraemon. Sorry, in the Finding Nemo. This is looks something different, but original dory is like this.
I have watched in my friend's house.
Yeah, original dory like this. Very nice, colorful. Okay, like this. Here also. If you first draw this, okay, you can make the color it into color, nice color.
Sir, can we do our own coloring? Sir, can we do our own coloring?
Okay. Mute yourself. All of you sound is coming. Mute yourself and I show the color. Okay, just don't worry. I show color. This is a cobalt blue color. Cobalt blue can use or Prussian blue. Blue, yeah. Use the blue. You use the cobalt blue, light blue, not the dark blue. Not light, not dark. Light blue is called. Oh, I forgot. This is yellow. I forgot this is yellow basically. It should yellow, 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 lemon yellow. This is lemon yellow, okay? Yes, should. Make it first the one color, not much. I using the lemon yellow. I using this. Well, the Prussian blue. I like the Prussian blue. This is black. Okay, I use a black. Make the black color or gray color also use first, then black. After that, you can put black. No, no, can class 12 চলছে বাবাই. Just like this. Mama, No. Okay. By using the finger to mix the color nicely each other. So it's not looks any white space in between this paper. I'm using the white color. Somewhere I need the using the white color so looks more good.
So see my drawing.
Yes, I see your drawing.
Thank you, sir. Sir, so can we go to the next drawing?
Wait, it's not next. I do the same white color. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Come.